Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Saily digital SIM on a Samsung phone quickly and easily. First, if you don't already have the Saily app, open the Google Play Store, search for Saily, and tap Install. After the app finishes installing, open it and log into your account. Now, let's install your digital SIM. Inside the Saily app, tap Install SIM. Your Samsung phone will show a permission pop-up. Just tap Allow, then tap. Continue to begin the installation. The activation process may take a minute or two. Once it completes, you'll see your Saily SIM listed and ready to use. Make sure you activate it before you travel so it works as soon as you land. Next, we'll enable data roaming. On Samsung phones, open Settings, then go to Connections, then Mobile Networks, and switch data roaming on. If you're using a Google Pixel or another Android device, open Settings, then Network and Internet, then SIMs. Select your Saily SIM, make sure it's active, and turn on data roaming. And that's all you need to do. Your Saily digital SIM is now fully activated and ready for use wherever your plan has coverage. Thanks for watching. If you want to grab a plan for yourself, the affiliate link and the 15% discount code are in the description. Stay connected and safe travels.